Hi, I'm Annette. This is how to seal pavers. Let's get into it. Sweep away any loose dirt and debris, then use a pressure washer to help remove any dirt embedded in the pavers. For existing pavers like this, you'll need to use an outdoor cleaner. This will help remove any stubborn moss or stains, as the cleaner the surface, the better the sealer will adhere. After cleaning, spray the area again with your high-pressure cleaner and allow the pavers to dry completely, as moisture can prevent the sealer from bonding properly. Before applying your sealer, it's a good idea to check for moisture using a moisture meter. If you don't have a moisture meter, use tape and plastic. If there's no moisture present, you're good to go. Now everything's dry and prepped. It's time to apply the sealer. Using a paint roller or pump sprayer, start at one end and work systematically across the area for an even coat. If you're using a roller, work in straight lines for a professional finish. A pump sprayer is ideal if there's sand between the pavers, as it prevents the roller from disturbing it. Then apply a second coat for added durability and depth. This second coat will bring out the natural colours of the pavers, giving them a rich, polished look. And there you have it. With a little time and effort, your pavers will be protected from the elements. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.